Yeah. No, me asked you the other day if you can carry me on 1 year training session.
You only want to do that because of me, babe. Me know say I know your thing that, and that's okay. I'm okay with it.
So, am me alone overprotective when you play football? And now why you hurt yourself? Tiffany the concern?
Yeah, she concerned, but she also understands your injury is a part of the game. So she never da behave like you.
Well, if she not concerned, me concerned.
She's not concerned.
Karim, you still in touch with her?
Not really. I true, me do live stream. When me a train you them and then she follow the page there when me go live, she still say, you know, me a train and them thing there and try to track it, but I just that.
And how you know so she's still concerned?
Well, she did come in when time they get the injury and then she did say me for remember the rice method.
Remember the rice method?
Yeah, babes. It mean your wrist, your eyes, your compress, and you elevate.
Oh, so are she are your physiotherapist?
Babes, that are the past.
That another pass to me. At the present, because she still has sending notes.
You have some people still have a care for you. You want them to have in our relationship?
You're right.
Where I go?
Me I go in the kitchen, go do with the rice, what me know to do with it. Boil it. Hello? Yeah, me a jazz, me a listen. Tell me a joke you make.
I'm going to link up the kids them now for them training session.
Okay.
And I'm have a training now. And them, remember say me not do nothing, than just sit down and tell them what to do.
Okay, Coach Thompson.
Alright. We'll see how I reach home here.
You might not see me when you come home. Me over bubbles.
Alright. Babes, I know you think so me and Tiffany in or nothing, cause we communicate but that are online and she have a boyfriend and it's serious. So you don't have nothing to worry about, yeah?
Karim, you not give me so much details, you know? Me never ask. Do you do?
Little Jenna.
Numbers, the cleanie.
What go on, little miss?
Train the dog. What go on, numbers?
Yeah, man. Chain up in lion there. Yeah.
So I got numbers.
There, Miss Bush said something for give you a circle, see? Something can help you decode some things, but I don't know if we can name that like what's the name?
No man, I'm go training. Yeah, man.
Most of them things that not everybody should know.
Excuse me.
Ah,
Excuse me.
are the journalist?
Yeah.
Big up yourself, General.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Make sure say you deal with her right, you know.
Yeah.
Good girl. She tell me a whole heap of things about you.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
You too,
So,
them how this.
you roll the leather, them call me numbers.
Oh.
Yeah, man, Alfred, but them call me numbers.
Numbers.
Big up yourself. She tell me say you roll the leather.
Yeah, I mean a boyfriend, you know that, right?
Yeah, man, she tell me, man.
Okay.
She tell me.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Me knock your ball sometimes.
Oh, yeah,
too,
yeah,
so
yeah.
one time you can't think that.
Alright. No problem. Babes, big up 1 minute. Big up there.
Yeah, man, don't do the thing, man.
I go on the road, I watch this something for me, yeah?
Do the thing.
Nice meeting you, boss.
Big up yourself.
Numbers.
Alright.
Oh, me don't know him. What kind of number? Me don't know what going on this one.
Him come here already, come give me computer lesson.
So, him come here? So you not tell me about him thing there?
Him come here, but I in a shop.
But you not tell me about him something that be?
Because you don't know nothing about computer. You're the wrong person to have that conversation with. Me and him have that in common. Okay? You have training, right, babe? Come down, Baz.
Ah. That chain properly, Jenna.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Stand up yourself.